Hello, babe. You don't see the alert?
I don't see the money.
Okay, how long it go take you to call now?
Give me like 2 hours.
But 2 hours far now. Now, wait you do that where you chop my 100K.
This one are before, now this one they different. How much you even send? Sef? I said they come, I'll enter motor.
Okay, now you say how many hours it go take you to come?
2 hours.
I go dey wait now, I go dey wait.
No wahala.
Okay, I go dey wait.
You be mumu.
2 hours later.
Hello, babe, Alpha. 2 hours don't do and I never see you. Wetin dey happen now?
Oga, rain dey fall now.
Photo.
Yes, I dey for one shade. Rain dey fall.
Rain dey fall today
Yes,
again?
now. Rain.
Wait.
Rain dey fall and I never even see motor. Rain dey fall.
Rain dey fall today again?
Yes.
No be the same rain you use that time scam me, still dey use rain
No be
today.
me be rain, no.
Okay,
No be me send rain.
I beg. If you know say you no go call, return my money for me. If you know say you no go call, return my money for me.
Return
Oh.
which money? Where that one dey happen?
If you no go call, return my money
Where
for
that
me.
one dey happen? Money don't enter my account. You don't have enter. No refunding now.
If you know say you no go call, return my money for
I know
me.
they return shishi. I know they return anything.
Lagos no far from Onitsha. Return my money
If
for me.
fly come, I know they
All-
return. I know they shout for me again. If you too talk again, I no go come again. I may go stop the rain.
Hey, then return my money for me. If you no go call, return my money for me.
Don't enter my account
Return my
already.
money for me.
I no fit return the
Return my money for me. If you know say you no go call, return my money for me.
See this mugu. They know they refund money. No refunding. I beg. No they.
Sorry, yo.
This girl don't call for my ear.
You think say they
This girl
wise?
call for my ear. This girl don't know what she don't know who they play with. She thinks Lagos far from Onitsha. Tomorrow like this, I dey enter Izuchukwu motor this night.
Oh,
Tomorrow morning,
Amumu,
you
not
see
too
me for,
much.
for Lagos. You think say if he scam me 2 times, ma call her again. Make she no try me. Oh. Ha. Hello.
What till they disturb my phone for now?
Hello?
Which kind of man being be this one?
So now they disturb your phone.
You don't know.
And now they disturb your phone, Abi. Yeah, come for my ear. This guy no. She don't know who they play with. In short, I call her for the last time. Make I see what go happen. This guy don't know who she they play with too. She don't know who she they play with. Hey. This guy busy my call. She busy my call. Oh my goodness. Let me do it again. Busy my call. This guy busy my call. Hey, God.
No.
Okay now. This guy scam 2 times. This guy get my block fee. Allah, if I don't go Lagos tomorrow, man, they can know when she comes. And I mean, this guy scam 2 times. Hey, God.